In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan and interpret the code and how to remove the nozzles and prevent oil leakages. Another thing, the last topic, I'm going to show you how to code injector. So stay tuned. So welcome. Today I have Volkswagen Touareg. I'm going to scan this vehicle. Volkswagen. I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main culprit or the main fault code. So this is the hotel machine. It's one of the best machine. So it's still scanning. Let's wait for a minute. See, the ignition is on. Look at the dashboard. Ignition is on. See, the power control module has 2 fault code. Let me click that one. Let's see, the power control module still scanning. So we have 3 main fault code. We have P0263, which is cylinder 1 contribution balance. That one, it needs coding. Then we have oxygen sensor open on circuit, I think so. Then we have fuel rail system too low. That one is caused by the first one, which is P0263. So we are going back in this hood. This is the engine I was talking about. We have a lot of oil leakages, see, and fuel leakages, especially in injector number 4. So what we are going to do, I'm going to remove injector number 4. At the same time, I'm going to make sure there's not any oil or fuel leakages, and that fuel leakages can cause that those 2 codes, which is P0087 and the pressure regulator control system. So we are going to solve those fault code manually like that. So this is the nozzle I was talking about, number 4. We have a lot of leakages, so I'm going to make sure everything is working the way it's supposed to be. So the first thing is to remove that nozzle, and it's very easy and you can do it on your own. Sometimes preventing the oil leakages in this vehicle is very expensive. Like that. I'm going to make sure the injector number 4 so in this vehicle we have 2 types of fault. Injector number 4 has leakages, and injector number 1 needs a injector coding. I'm dealing with injector number 4 because it has a lot of work. Stopping the oil and diesel leakage is not easy, but we are going to try our best. This is the injector number 4. We have a lot of oil and diesel leakage, so we are going to make sure everything is clear. We are going to make sure we clean everything. After cleaning, I'm replacing with new injector. This is the new injector with new seals, so that that one will prevent oil. So you need to make sure everything is perfect. Just like that. Although it's very simple, you need to take your time. And now we are done. I'm going to start this vehicle to see if there is any leakage. See, the engine is running, but there's not any oil or diesel leakage. So I think that one we are done. So we are going to the next, which is injector coding. So I'm going to scan ahead. Do you want to code? Okay. The cylinder 4 engine. So be careful. Injector 1 is AA, but all injector 3, 2 and 4 has unique codes according to the injectors on the cylinder head. So we are going to code that injector 1 according to the injector 1 in the cylinder code. Let me show you that injector. This is the code of that injector. See, injector number 1 has successfully adapted. So we are done with injector number 1. So we need to put ignition off and on like that. Then I'm going back to confirm if injector 1 has a unique code that is identical with injector number 1, like that. See, we are done. That is the unique code I was talking about. It's just like that. Yeah, we have done everything. The first thing was leakage. Then we had 2 leakages for diesel injectors and oil. We have solved everything. Another thing was the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor was the open circuit. We have already done that. So another thing was, I think we had done everything. Coding of injector number 1 was AAA. Right now we have code. So everything's perfect. Let me start the vehicle to see how it's going to perform. Half kick. Everything is working perfect. The only thing in the dashboard is fuel. It's to refill the vehicle, but everything's working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.